Hello and welcome. This is Jahan from MS Excel VBA. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to combine text and numbers in Excel. For example, we have a customer's ID, customer's name and quantity. Here I use the formula, the equal to. First we combine the customer ID and then quantity and press enter. Now see here, the customer ID with quantity is combined, but we add one more space between customer ID and quantity. Now you see here, we add a customer IDs and quantity. When you drag and down, see here, this all quantities appear with your customers. If you like any other currencies, for example, here is a currency. Now this is showing only 62, not showing on the $62. In case we use the equal to, we choose the customer ID as, or we use a text, this one, the comma, the format text. If you are new in your Excel, you no need to the focus on this section. We double quotation and bracket close. Okay, we go to the format cell. The short key is the Control 1. You just select this currency section. This is the currency, the custom section. Where is the currency? This is the currency. You copy this format type and paste in your double quotation. Now see here, the all prices is on dollars. If you have a number, does not matter. Now you all prices in currency formatted. We add one more space between your text and numbers. We add a double quotation and click the space or add the subtract. Now fill down. See here, this is your customer numbers and this is your price. If you have multiple, like if you have a dates, for example, in case we have a dates, we select the B2 in here, alternated of E2. Now see here, it's also showing the prices. Go to the format cells and customs. We choose any date formats like date, month, years. Copy this type, format types, and we paste in here inside the double quotation and click enter. Now see here, the customer ID and date format as well. When you drag and drop, see, this is a not have a date. When you drop down, now you have a dates and customer's ID. Between this character we add one more space to split this one. Now drop fill. Okay, in this sections we need to the grand total. For example, you add the grand total in the same cells. The totals you are not add the sum functions. In case you add the sum, art equal to is the sum short key. This 1080, you go to the format cells, go to the customs. In your type, add a double quotations, and inside this double quotation add you any text like a totals. Now see here, this is the values and include the totals. We add one more space between total, totals and amounts. We just add one space. You see this sample, when you type anything is showing on the samples, and this is a calculatable value. For example, here I add the KH01 and go to the format cells, customs, double quotation adds, inside the double quotation this customer ID and click OK. And format painter, we copy format and paste of entire. Now see here, when you add the sum, auto sum, and click OK, this is included the text and numbers, but its formula is working and it's a calculatable, because this is a not change the values, this is a change only format of the text. Thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe it.